Hello, good people. My name is Hebron Kosa, and I am sending greetings all the way from ByGrace, Mpumalanga province, that is South Africa. Now, I'm here to present an amazing project that we're definitely going to do very soon, and that is a film series titled Tumefikaje, Going Back to the Future.
One of the best South African actors came to Bushbuckridge, visited communities and schools to motivate our people and to launch the film project. The response from Bushbuckridge people was overwhelming. We are truly grateful. Currently, online auditions are ongoing.
Now, Tumefikaje is a Swahili phrase that translates to how did we get here? Ifike njani la, sifike njani la. When we look back in our lives and now, we can realize that we have actually left the future behind us. Hence the tagline, going back to the future.
This is an amazing musical telenovela. Purpose to restore what kept us out of the streets: music, poetry, cultural dances, debates, African games, you name it. The story presents a nation's self-introspection, the collective process of a society examining its core values, confronting uncomfortable truths about its historical narratives, humanity, and systemic inequalities. Drawing a fine line between what we are and what we should be, and asking dangerous questions that no one dares to ask. This is a quest to restore a generation of beautiful minds. Going back to the future.
Now, there's an English saying that goes, it takes a village to raise a child. And we are making a call to all our families, our friends, our fans, our supporters, our leaders, and the community at large to support this great initiative, which is Tumefikaje. And if you'd like to see this film shot in our area, that is Bushbuckridge and all the surrounding areas, by our own people, here's an opportunity. And therefore, we request that you make a contribution so that we can start shooting the film. Ladies and gentlemen.